Okay, boys and girls, we are ready to start typing. So again, I need to go up to my app button, click on it, and go to my drive. So again, we can see that this is the folder we created to share with and shared it with our English teacher. I'm going to click on it. And now we can see we have the presentation we created in there as well. I'm going to now click on that and open it up to get started. Boys and girls, go ahead, pause the video, open up your drive, and open up the presentation you have created. Alright, we are ready to get going and begin. Right now we are just going to be typing. We're not going to be adding anything else. So I'm going to first look at the first page. This is our title page. Now it says click to add title. I'm going to click on it. So in my title, I need to have a capital letter. So I'm going to press down the shift button with one finger, and while I'm holding it down, I'm going to press the T to give me a capital T. So here I am, I'm going to press shift T, and now I have a capital T. Now the rest of my title, I'm going to have my lowercase letters. So trick. Then once I finish a word, I'm going to press the space bar, and it's going to put a space in between my words. So I press the space bar, and now I'm ready to do shift O for my next word, since this is a title. R, space again, shift T to give me a capital T. R-E-A-T. So I have trick or treat. Okay, so now I have my title. Go ahead, pause the video, boys and girls, and add a title to your presentation. Now we have our title, and so now we're going to go below where it says click to add a subtitle. So I'm going to click on it. Here's where I'm going to write by and then my name. So again, shift B to have a capital B, then a Y. Next I can press the shift button and then the semicolon button, and it will give me the colon that looks on top, the dot dot. So shift, semicolon, and now I have my colon. So afterward I need a space. And now I'm going to put my name. Since I'm a proper noun, I'm going to capitalize my first name and my last name. Okay, boys and girls, go ahead, pause the video and add your name as the author. Now that is our title page. So we're ready now to add more pages. So boys and girls, you have outlined in your writing how many pages you will need. So we're going to make the pages for us so that we can type those pages. I'm going to go up to this plus sign and see when I put my cursor on top of the plus, it says new slide. So I'm going to go to my down arrow, and we're going to pick the one that says caption. So select that one that says caption, and that will be the first slide I have for writing. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to choose the caption slide, and I can even press plus again now, and it remembers that I said I wanted the caption slide. And I'm going to add one more slide. Okay, so I have my 4 slides, and the reason I have 4 is because I have 4 pages. If you have 3, only put 3. If you have 5, put 5, but only put the amount of slides that you need, and these are going to be like our pages of our book. So our first job is I'm going to click, our first slide, it says 1, because that is our title slide. But now my first page of writing is going to be number 2. So I'm going to click to add text, and now I'm going to begin writing. So I'll be looking at my writing and copying down what it said. So I start a sentence with a capital letter. So again, Shift T. So the wind whipped the trees around me. So I have finished my sentence, so I need to put a period. So if you look on the keyboard, the period is located right here, and I can see it on this key right in the left-hand bottom corner. So I put a period at the end. Now after a period, I have to put a space. So I have my space, and then I can write my next sentence. Just like in writing, we need a space after punctuation or after an end mark. So here I have finished typing my first page. What I can do is I can move it up a little bit, but don't worry, we're going to make it, and I can expand it so it includes it. Don't worry, we're going to make it so that it fits on each page. So I'm done with one page. Now I can go and type on my next page. Go ahead, boys and girls, and you start to type your book. Remember, each of these slides are a different page, so only write what should go on each page. Have fun!